Direct mail is a powerful marketing tool. For years, it has been used to target customers who have the interest to purchase or service their cars. Mail has worked well, but let's face it, mobile innovation has brought about a change in how consumers see and expect things to happen. They want to be able to receive information instantly, continue their shopping right from their mobile phone, and perform other activities simultaneously. What makes Gateway Solutions Direct so successful is we've identified what consumers want and have incorporated them in our service. Direct mail, voice messages, emails, and text. Gateway Solutions Direct allows direct mail to perform like never before because it interacts with consumers' mobile phones using text messaging. It's as simple as this. When a customer texts in a personal PIN, that customer will receive an instant response with the information requested. The customer's information is then instantly passed to the dealer. So for the first time during the customer's moment of consideration, the dealer can call and have a conversation. Our Trade-In, Trade-Up campaign leverages our newest technology, offering instant trade values with our partnership with Black Book. This allows a customer to value any vehicle they might be interested in trading simply by texting their license plate number. The next direct mail campaign you run will utilize all of the technology that allows customers to engage with you like they want and expect in today's tech-savvy world. To experience this for yourself and to set up a full demonstration, text FPKNTX to 48498 and we will be in touch shortly. Or email your request to info@gatewaysolutionsdirect.com.